In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as your personal keyword research and content strategy assistant. Let's get started. I start on the ChatGPT homepage and paste a detailed prompt asking for keyword research tailored to a digital marketing blog. ChatGPT immediately provides a comprehensive strategy focusing on high-intent keywords and specific categories like problem-based and platform-specific searches. This helps me prioritize topics that offer a realistic chance of ranking even without high domain authority. Next, I ask for a structured research list for social media marketing, requesting broad, long-tail, and question-based keywords. It organizes the results into a clear table that details the search intent and keyword type for each entry. This breakdown makes it easy to see exactly what small business owners are searching for and how to address those needs. Now, I'm moving on to content planning by asking for a complete keyword plan for a specific blog post about growing an Instagram following organically. ChatGPT breaks this down into a primary focus keyword, secondary supporting terms, and LSI keywords to ensure the content is topically relevant. It also suggests specific long-tail questions to use as subheadings, which is a great way to capture featured snippets in search results. Finally, I request a 30-day content plan consisting of 10 blog posts designed to build topical authority. ChatGPT generates a logical sequence of headlines, target keywords, and summaries of what to cover for each post. This provides a clear, actionable roadmap that I can follow to consistently publish high-quality content that ranks. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.